Hey IECA members, Environmental Connection has a brand new look, and it's available as this beautiful online flipbook. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to find and read everything inside. Let's dive in. When you open the magazine, you land right on the cover. You can see the full issue title and a preview of what's inside. And just like a real magazine, you turn the pages. See that double arrow on the right side of the screen? Click it and flip the pages to the next spread. You can also click the arrow on the left to go back. Keep clicking to move through the whole issue at your own pace. Now let's look at the clickable content. Here's where it gets really handy. Starting on the cover, every article title is a clickable link. See something you want to read? Just click it and boom, you're taken right there. No page flipping required. Now let's go to the table of contents. And see here at the bottom of the screen, you've got to scroll down to read. It's organized by section: business, call for innovation, research briefs, stormwater management, and more. Every single article title is a clickable link that takes you right to that page. It's like having a shortcut to every article in the issue. Let's click on an article and view more. Once you're in the article page, you'll notice the content is full and readable right in your browser. And if there's more to read, just scroll down. On occasion, you'll see a reminder at the bottom of the screen that reminds you to scroll down to read more. Want to see a bird's eye view of the whole issue? Click the three dots in the top left corner. This opens a grid showing thumbnails of every single page. Your current page is highlighted in blue. Scroll through to browse and click on any thumbnail to jump directly to that page. Looking for something specific? Click on that magnifying glass in the top right area and type in any keyword. Then click the search button. It pulls up a list of every article that mentions it with the page name and a snippet of text. Click any result to go straight there. It's super useful when you're hunting for a specific topic. Let's look at the share panel. Love an article and want to share it with a colleague? Click the share icon. That's this little network symbol icon right here. You can share it directly to the social media platform of your choice, or you can share it via email. Enter in your email address, who you want to send it to, and be sure to include a message before you click Send Email. Our advertisers make this publication possible. You can find their ads throughout the magazine. Just click on the dynamic ad to visit the advertiser's website and learn more about the products and services they offer. And that's it. 6 simple ways to get the most out of your Environmental Connection digital magazine. Click, scroll, explore. Your next great read is just a tap away. If you have any questions, reach out to us at education@ieca.org. Thanks for supporting IECA.